Introducing the new Curt Advanced Axle and Running Gear Package that takes your towing experience to a whole new level. The towing experts at Curt have gone above and beyond what is considered standard on today's RV's running gear package. With this package, RVers will experience a smooth ride, less maintenance hassles, and the peace of mind knowing their critical running gear components were upgraded for strength and durability. So, do you know what your RV is riding on? Most RVers don't. Here's what separates the Curt Advanced Axle and Running Gear Package from the rest. We've upgraded the most critical components of the axle and running gear package for strength, durability, and longevity. We've included a heavy-duty 7,000-pound bearing package on all Curt axles. The Curt axle package features the Super Lube maintenance system to keep those bearings running smoothly. This time-saving feature allows for the axle bearings to be easily greased without disassembling the entire hub. Properly maintained bearings are critical to the longevity of your RV's running gear. The axle tube's wall thickness and leaf spring capacity were increased for heavier loads and improved safety. Higher quality running gear components were also added to this package, featuring bronze bushed spring eyes and heavy-duty extra thick shackle links, which will help with longevity and maintenance. We had maintenance in mind when we designed this package as well. Forward self-adjusting brakes self-adjust during every forward stop, always ensuring properly adjusted brakes. Standard brakes have to be adjusted every 3 months during use. Properly adjusted brakes provide up to 50% better braking distance. Our shackle bolts feature grease zerks that allow for fast, easy lubrication so critical axle components are always functioning at their best. Finally, we made your ride smoother with the addition of our EquiFlex rubberized equalizer. The road dampening equalizer absorbs road shock and vibration, so your RV doesn't. EquiFlex also reduces forward to aft movement, otherwise known as chucking, for an overall better towing experience. The Curt Advanced Axle and Running Gear Package, designed for RVers who want to worry less about the towing headaches and actually enjoy the towing experience. So, what are you riding on? Curt, the first name in towing.